Good morning, students. I hope you all are well at home. So, today we will discuss about our sixth chapter of math, that is Algebraic Expression and Identities Part 2. So, students, in a previous chapter, we have already discussed about addition, subtraction, multiplication of monomials, binomials, and trinomials. In this chapter, we will increase our knowledge on polynomials and division of algebraic expression. Also, we know about what is a polynomial and degree of polynomial in one variable, degree of polynomial in two variables, constant polynomials and linear polynomials, etc. So let's start our first topic, that is polynomial. A polynomial is an algebraic expression formed with constants, variables and exponents of the variables. Can only be non-negative integers like 0, 1, 2, 3 and etc. So here is a question. What are constants? You know about constants? No. Constant term, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on. These are called constants, number form. And what are variables? Variables, that means in terms of alphabetic, that means X, Y, Z, A, B, C and etc. So constants are numbers, variables are in form of alphabetical order, that means A, B, C, X, Y, P, Q something, and next one is exponents. What are exponents? That means we have to write a number. Suppose we have write a number X and power of this is 3. That means exponent of X is 3. It is called exponent of a number. These are constant, variable, exponents, or similar, x raised to power 2, y raised to power 3. These are called exponents of variables. So now next is, for example, 5x3 minus 7x square plus 8x minus 1 is a polynomial. Here it is a polynomial. Why? Because first 5x raised to power 3 minus 7x raised to power 2 plus 8x minus 1 is a polynomial. However, if we have given a terms in negative form, that is power of a number, a variable is negative. Also in square root form, it is called square root, and also in fraction are not polynomials. Suppose we have given a number, that is 5x minus 1 plus 2 by 3 x minus 1 plus under root x under root y. It is not a polynomial. Why it is not a polynomial? Because firstly here a negative power, next here is a fractional term, and next here is a root of a term. That means negative term, negative power, second one is fractional form, and third one is in square root. So it is not a polynomial. But 5x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 1, it is a polynomial, because all the powers and degrees of a polynomial are positive. It is a polynomial of 3 degree, because highest term of this number is 3. So next one is, the polynomial in one variable are called univariate polynomial. Similarly, polynomial with 2 or 3 variables are called bivariate or trivariate polynomial respectively. So first one is degree of polynomial in one variable. Degree of polynomial in one variable. In a univariate polynomial, the highest power of variable is called its degree. For example, 4x plus 5. Here we have two numbers, that means 4x plus 5, is a polynomial of degree 1. Why we called it is a polynomial of degree 1? So we have 4x plus 5. Here we have two constant. One is with variable 4x, that means one constant with variable and other is single. So we have to check the degree, that means power of the variables. Here we have only x, that means x power 1. Also remember, if we have given no degree, that means x raised to power 1. So the highest degree of this polynomial is 1, that means it is a polynomial of degree 1. Similar, suppose we have given a next example, 7x3 plus 7x3 minus 11x square plus 8x plus 5. We have given a polynomial like this. We have to find the degree of this polynomial. Here check the degree of the polynomial. First we have given 7x raised to power 3. First degree is 3 and second minus 11x square and degree of variable x 2. In next x plus 8x, degree of x is 1. So which number is highest? That is 3. So the degree of polynomial is 3. In this way we can check the degree of polynomial is 3. So in now in one variable. So next one is degree of polynomial in two variables. It is only one variable. Why it is only one variable? Because here we have given only x. These are variables. And next, moving to next, degree of polynomial in two variables. In a bivariate polynomial, the sum of exponents of variables in each of term is calculated and the highest sum is called the degree of polynomial. Suppose we have given a number 4x square y, polynomial 4x square y minus 7xy cube plus 3x square plus 5 is a polynomial in two variables because x and both the number x variables x and y are given here of degree 4. How can we say it is a polynomial of degree 4? So let's check. That is, firstly I am writing the statement 4x square y minus 7xy cube plus 3x square plus 5 is a polynomial in two variables x and y of degree 4. So let me check. Firstly, we have given 4x square y. Here x raised to power 2 and y raised to power 1. That means degree of x square y 1 is 3. Moving to next. Here we have given x y 3, y power 3. That means x power 1 and y power 3. Add both the degrees. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. That means both the two variable. So degree of both the numbers are 4. Moving to next. Here we have given only one variable, that is x. So only degree of x is 2. So 5 is only constant term. So which is greater? That is 4. That's why we are writing here it is a polynomial in two variables x and y of degree 4. Similar check. 3 by 4 p square minus 6p cube q3 plus 1 upon 2 p square q square minus 7 cube plus 6 is a polynomial in two variables p and q of degree 6. Firstly, here we have only one variable, that is p square. In second, we have given p cube and q cube. Add the powers of p and 3. 3 plus 3, 6. Similar, 2 plus 2, 4. So the highest degree is 6. So also remember beta, we have 3 upon x plus 2 are not polynomials. But here we have given 3 by 4. It is a fractional form. In a fraction form we have a polynomial. But when we have given constant upon variable, something 2 upon y plus 2, it is a fraction form. But we have given addition of variable with constant. It is not a polynomial. In this way, a polynomial in also fractional form, but if the variable in a constant upon variable, that is not in a fractional form. So moving to next is constant polynomial. A polynomial consisting only a constant term is called constant polynomial. For example, 3 minus 5, that means both the negative and positive integers. These are consisting constant terms are called constant polynomials. The degree of constant polynomial is 0. Also remember beta, when anyone asks what is the degree of constant polynomial, you can say the degree of constant polynomial is 0. So next one is linear polynomial. A polynomial of degree 1 is called linear polynomial. For example, x plus 3, 2x minus 7, 1 by 4x plus 6 are linear polynomials. Why these are linear polynomials? Because here we have given only one variable and each variable has only degree 1, not in square form, not in cubic form. That means it is a linear polynomial in degree 1. Next one is quadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. Quadratic, for example, 2x square plus 3x plus 5. Here the degree of variable is 2. That means it is a quadratic polynomial. So next one is cubic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 3 is called cubic polynomial. For example, 5a raised to power 3 plus 7a square minus 3a plus 6. Here the highest power or degree of a is 3. That means it is a cubic polynomial. Next is biquadratic. A polynomial of degree 4 is called biquadratic polynomial. For example, 3x raised to power 4 minus x raised to power 3 plus x raised to power 2 minus 4x plus 6. Here the highest degree of the variable is 4. That means it is called biquadratic. Remember, polynomial of degree 1 is called linear polynomial. Polynomial of degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. Polynomial of degree 3 is called cubic polynomial, and polynomial of degree 4 is called biquadratic polynomial. So every polynomial is an algebraic expression, but not vice versa. That means polynomial is an algebraic expression, that is necessary, but it is not necessary that an algebraic expression is also a polynomial. So all the 4 operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication or division, are done in algebraic expression. So algebraic expression. So first one is write the degree of each of the following polynomials. We have given 4x4 plus 5x3 plus minus 7. So we have to write the degree of polynomial. Here the statement is 4x4 plus 5x3 minus 7. So the check the variable, and power of the variable is first is 4, next one is 3, and next one is no. That means highest degree of this variable is 4. So the degree of polynomial is 4. So moving to next question. Which of the following expressions are not polynomial? Here we have given x raised to power 3 plus 3x raised to power minus 2. It is not a polynomial. Why? Because the power of variable in the negative form. That's why it is not a polynomial. Moving to next here is root 2. Here it is in unroot form. It is also not a polynomial. It is also a polynomial. Why it is a polynomial? I'm saying if the term is in form of root, it is not a polynomial. But also remember, if the root is on constant term, not on variable, that means it is a polynomial. For example, if we have given unroot x plus 3x square, it is not a polynomial because root is on variable. If root is on constant term, it is a polynomial. Here we have given root on constant term, that means it is a polynomial. Second one is it is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial because we have given 2x in a root form. It is not a polynomial here. 2x raised to power 3 by 2 plus 4x plus 8x square plus 7. It is also a polynomial. Similar, x raised to power 4 minus 3x cube plus 9 is also a polynomial. Next one is write the following polynomial in standard form. Also write the degree. We have given x square plus 4 plus 3x square cube minus 7x. So what is the standard form of this term? Firstly, I am writing a statement. X raised to power 4 2 plus 4 plus 3x square cube minus 7x. Standard form and degree of polynomial. So firstly, what is the standard form? That means writing the degrees in a increasing to decreasing order. Firstly, we have highest degree 3x raised to power 3. Next, plus x square. Next term is minus 7x plus 4. It is a standard form because it is in increasing order. Power of x is 3, then 2, then 1, then 0. And degree of this polynomial is 3. Because highest power of x is 3, that means degree of this polynomial is 3. In this way, we can check the standard form and degree of a polynomial.